Hey guys, Frazian here. So we got this GMC ACADIA. This model year is from 07 to 12. We are changing the throttle body, the front wheel bearings, the front inner and outer tie rods, and the rear wheel bearings. But this specific video is going to be for the throttle body. Just real quick, if you got codes P2100, P2101 or P2119, those all relate to the throttle body performance, so we're going to change it. So I highly recommend you using a original throttle body, because the cheaper ones, the aftermarket ones, they have a bad reputation of only lasting a month or so. So anyways, and then after you install it, we're going to reprogram the throttle body position, just to do a quick relearn with the scanner, and yeah, that'll be it. All right guys, so those codes relate to the throttle body. There are many aftermarket ones out there. I highly recommend that this specific part use a original General Motors throttle body, because the other ones roughly the same price and they only last a month or 2 months, and then they will give you all kinds of problems. So to remove the throttle body, very simple. Remove the engine cover, pull this little tab towards you, pop out the hose, leave it in place, screwdriver, take it out, and then the throttle body is going to be held by 4 number 10 bolts. So 4 bolts and 1 connector. Okay, so again, use the original one. Then after that, we're gonna relearn the throttle position. Okay, so I'll show you real quick. Alrighty, so with your scan tool, so it varies. So with your scan tool, it will vary, you know, from model to model. With this specific scanner that I'm using right now, it's quick, simple, and I love it. But anyways, so it's the Nova 5610. Go to your menu, then your system actuator test, and then once you're there, with the key open, okay, not the engine on, you're going to go to reset idle learn, and then you're going to reset. It's going to open and close the flap on the throttle bottom, and then it's going to learn it, and then learn successful. So that's pretty much it. Once you do that, then you exit, and you can turn on your engine, turn it on, and no more light. So that's it guys. Alrighty, I'll see you on the next one.